Yes, ready. So it is necessary in the larger interest of the people as also in the interest of the society that we have to completely restructure the present land owing system that will ultimately give opportunity to the downtrodden millions of the country to go to the field and work. Stop now. At the moment the landlord is asking him to go or and not to go to the field at his terms. Stop. This is not permissible any longer. Stop para. And the second point I would like to discuss is regarding the industrial policy. Stop. The industrial policy in the India context, or we as a country which is trying to become a socialist country, should be not one activated for the purpose of making profit, but it should be a policy which should be one for production of wealth, the wealth which will percolate down to the grassroots people, to the villages in this country. Stop. For that purpose, it is because of that alone, because of that perception and vision alone, that Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru years back, ever since he took over as the Prime Minister of this country, brought what is called the public sector industrial system, under which we can go forward and under which we could establish that we are among the 10 industrially developed countries of the world. Stop. On the one hand, we have to increase the public sector industries in this country to bring more core and basic industries so that there can never be any threat for any other source or any sector. Stop. At the same time, there should be another dialectical aspect regarding this industry which should not be overlooked, whether it be in the public sector, private sector, or any other sector. Stop. What is the meaning of establishing an industry? Sign of interrogation. The moment you establish an industry in a country, it equally gives an opportunity for the diffusion of a new consciousness, that is being created in the mind and heart of the working class of this country. Stop. India is a land of the working classes, whether they are in the agricultural field or in the industrial field. Stop. When thousands of industries can come up in India, that means in multiplication, it is giving an opportunity for hundreds and hundreds of poor people who are unemployed at this moment in this country. Stop. So long as the government are not in a position to unearth the black money and the dead capital in the hands of the moneyed people, it cannot solve the unemployment problem completely. Stop.